In this video, I'm going to show you how to make realistic looking AI avatars just like the one that you're seeing on your screen right now. Nah, I'm just kidding. Or am I? Synthesia AI is an online AI video creator that anyone can use to get their videos done, from AI characters doing the work for you to automatically translating those videos to over 70 plus languages. I'll walk you through how to create a full video using AI characters, which is perfect if you don't want to appear on the screen, how to customize those characters, and finally, how to transform a simple idea, document, or web page into a fully edited video. To get started, head to Synthesia dashboard and click New Video in the top right corner. You'll see several options to kick off your project. Start from scratch with a blank template or convert a PowerPoint presentation directly into a video. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the AI Video Assistant, which is my favorite feature to turn any idea into a quick video. With the AI Video Assistant, you can either just upload and drop a file such as a PowerPoint, PDF, Word, or text, insert a URL, create your own prompt, or your own complete script. Once you select your starting point, you can pick a template. Synthesia offers tons of ready-made templates like company presentations, instructional formats, or even fun quiz layouts. This makes it easy to find something tailored to your content. Next, you'll choose your input, whether it's a web page, document, or just an idea. I'm starting with an idea. How to grow your brand on social media. I'll break it into a 2-minute scene. Synthesia then lets you fine-tune how the AI will approach the script with 5 customizable filters. Objective, which is the purpose of your video. Mine is to educate business owners, entrepreneurs, and content creators on social media growth for their brands. Audience defines your target audience. I chose a range from small business owners to social media managers. For the language, we'll stick with English, although Synthesia supports over 120 languages. Speaker profile is specifying a voice, like a digital marketing expert for my topic. And lastly, for tone, I chose professional to match the topic's seriousness. Once you've set these, click Create Outline, and as you can see, an outline for your video will start generating. You can even edit the outline if you have your own research or don't like the topics that were chosen for the video. Once everything is good to go, click Create Video and the AI will start generating your scenes, matching with your chosen template. When the video is generated, it's time to customize. Synthesia's video editor works like a PowerPoint presentation. Each scene has its own layout, script, and visuals. Quickly going over the layout, we have our avatar chooser, so we can actually have a lot to choose from in the library. Space, which is the background of your video that you can change freely. Text, which is obviously text such as titles or captions. Shapes, and media, which is your B-roll such as videos or images that you want in the video. So I replaced the default avatar with an avatar named Alex, and make sure you hit the change all button at the bottom so it goes to all of the slides or scenes on the Synthesia app. For your avatar, you can actually customize the voice and just change it completely. I just went with a default one because it sounds pretty decent already.
Ever wondered why some brands explode on social media while others fade into obscurity?
I swapped out the background for a different office theme, and as you can see, the text is a bit hard to read because of the brightness, so I just adjusted the opacity to make it stand out a bit more. So you can have videos playing in the background behind your avatar, so I changed this one to match what the avatar was talking about in this moment. You can also change the layout of each slide. So for instance, if this one doesn't match your taste, or if you want to emphasize like a picture or a video, you can choose a different layout such as this one, which has the speaker while also emphasizing a video behind the speaker.
Stay ahead by using trending formats like Reels, TikToks, and carousels.
If you want to make the video look a bit better, you can also change the background color. I like to use gradients because it looks a lot better than just a solid color, so it affects all your slides. So say you're making a brand video, you can easily just change the background color according to your own brand colors. You can even use AI to adjust your text in the video. So you can edit it with AI, pronunciation, preview, all these options here. So you can make it longer, make it shorter, change the tone. I decided to edit with AI and just rewrite it completely and use what it gave me. If you don't want your video to be boring, make sure you add a little bit of transitions to your scenes. You don't have to be too over the top, but there's a lot to choose from the Synthesia library. You can even add music, which is directly from Synthesia, but it uses a copyright-free provider, and you can adjust the genre, moods, durations, or instrumentals. Just find the one that best suits your video and just slap it in. When you're satisfied with all your changes, just generate the video, which takes around 5 to 10 minutes. And here's what mine looks like.
Curious why some brands thrive on social media while others vanish? The The secret lies in a few strategic hacks that can transform your online presence. Stick around to uncover these game-changing tactics. The 80/20 rule is a game changer. Dedicate 80% of your content to providing value and only 20% to promotion. This balance keeps your audience engaged and eager for more, building trust and loyalty. Stay ahead by using trending formats like Reels, TikToks, and carousels. These formats maximize reach and engagement, ensuring your content is seen by a wider audience.
To keep your videos organized, you can create folders and add videos to those folders. And that'll make everything more tidy, especially if you have multiple clients or you're just creating a bunch of different videos for different topics. Synthesia offers an avatar builder, which utilizes the library of avatars and customizing them for your business. If you have brand colors, you can change the colors of their shirt to match your brand colors, or even add your own logos onto their shirts. Although adding logos needs a higher subscription tier.
Hi, this is a preview of your customized avatar.
If you want to try out Synthesia for free, I've included a link in the description below and you can get started today. Let me know in the comment section what you plan on creating using Synthesia AI.